Modern wellness aisles are packed with synthesized, lab-made extracts trying to mimic human biology. But traditional practitioners have looked to the same organic chemistry found in the moringa tree for thousands of years. The moringa tree, native to northern India, is a globally recognized superfood, uniquely equipped to address modern nutrient deficiencies. It grows up to 15 feet in a single year, generating an immense amount of usable biomass in a matter of months. The tree's biological engine sits at its very top. The leafy green canopy is where the plant concentrates its chemical output. Those leaves are classified as an adaptogen, meaning they contain compounds that help the body regulate its stress response, exhibiting documented antidepressive and anti-anxiety effects. Harvesting that upper canopy yields a biological asset that functions as a sun-grown defense system for human cognitive wellness. To see how that canopy functions, we have to drop down to the microscopic environment inside a single leaf and quantify its exact nutritional load. This chart measures the specific nutrient multipliers of moringa against standard agricultural staples. A single serving of these leaves yields 7 times more vitamin C than an orange and 17 times more calcium than a glass of milk. As the data expands to include other dietary staples, the margins remain heavily skewed. The leaf outputs 15 times the potassium of a banana and 10 times the overall vitamin density of a carrot. When this visual transitions into a pie chart showing the leaf's total dry weight, it reveals a significant outlier. A full 25 to 30% of that mass is pure protein, containing every essential amino acid required by the human body. Packed alongside those proteins are specialized antioxidants, specifically quercetin, which neutralize free radicals to protect cellular health. Across these specific critical metrics, the moringa leaf offers a concentration of nutrients that far exceeds the agricultural staples found in most modern kitchens. The physical structure of the tree moves those nutrients from the leaves down through the trunk, bridging the gap between plant chemistry and human physiology. Looking at this line graph tracking blood chemistry, we can see how the plant helps regulate both glucose and insulin levels, establishing a more stabilized blood sugar curve. While it manages blood sugar, that high load of antioxidants helps intercept and defend against incoming bacterial and viral infections. Further down in the digestive tract, the plant compounds support gut function, ensuring that vitamins and minerals are efficiently absorbed into the surrounding tissue. This efficient nutrient uptake provides the raw materials necessary for cellular repair and metabolic stability, supporting long-term health in the cardiovascular and immune systems. Panning out from the trunk, the sprawling branches, hanging pods, and seeds dictate exactly how we cultivate and cook the plant every day. The leaves can be harvested fresh and eaten raw in salads, just like spinach, or dried and ground into a fine powder to blend into daily teas and smoothies. Around the 8-month mark, the tree produces long, ribbed pods, known as drumsticks. These are typically harvested and cooked using the same methods you would use for green beans. The seeds hidden inside those pods offer a dual utility. You can consume them directly for their nutrient profile, or crush them to act as a natural mechanism for water purification. The tree requires very little maintenance. It thrives in intense heat, sandy soils, and severe drought conditions, making it a highly reliable crop for climates like Florida's. The middle anatomy of this tree takes complex biological power and packages it into accessible culinary tools that grow relentlessly in hostile soil. Plunging below the soil line reveals a harsh biological boundary between the edible canopy above and the hidden dangers below. The roots and the root bark contain potent toxic compounds that do not exist in the upper branches. These underground elements are unsafe and must be entirely avoided during any harvest. Even when consuming the safe upper canopy, its physiological effects require caution. Anyone taking medications for blood pressure, diabetes, or thyroid conditions must consult a doctor first, as the plant actively interacts with those same bodily systems. Because of the high concentration of active compounds, concentrated moringa supplements are not recommended during pregnancy. Safely using the moringa tree means recognizing the divide at the soil line. Isolating the toxic compounds in the roots is the only way to access the benefits of the canopy.